welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my magic dough that you can use it in many different recipes such as pizza, donuts, bread, or whatever you like. To make this magic dough you need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. Today I'm going to use my KitchenAid to knead the dough, but if you don't have one, you can knead the dough by hand. To knead the dough, you need to install the dough hook. It's look like this. First, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to stir them well together. Now warm milk. The last but not the least, or butter. So for the first 5 minutes, I'm going to put it on number 2, and for the second 5 minutes, number 4. Overall, you need just 10 minutes to knead this dough. So there are different quality of flour, and sometimes you need to use less or more ingredients. For example, when I was making my dough, I thought that I need around 1 tablespoon more flour. But as you are working with your dough, you have to keep an eye, and if you think you need more flour or a little bit more milk, you can add it. After 10 minutes, our dough is ready. It doesn't stick to my hands, you see that? I just clean the hook. That is the final product. And it's not too hard, it's not too damp, and it's ready to be rested for an hour to an hour and a half. So now I'm putting it in the bowl and I cover it for an hour and a half, or until the dough is double in the size. An hour and a half passed. Let's look at our dough. As you see, our dough is ready, is double in size, and you can use it for any purpose you have, like pizza or donuts. Bon appetit!